So these were heartbreaking images from outside the Sector 2 hospital, or the main Kumbh Mela hospital, where ambulances were rushing in, bringing in the injured, those who were injured in the stampede, and relatives running to the hospital despite the crowd, seeking information about their loved ones and not getting any information about their well-being. The doctors also said, give us some time. Let us first look after those who are injured. Let us identify the next of kin if there's a need, and only then can we give out any information. But this shows the level of panic that happened at this place. Of course, the administration says it could have been even worse if they were not in a position to control it at the moment at which they did. But even now, if you notice, while movement has taken place here, it remains clogged at the pontoon bridges. And this is where, when the administration was talking about using artificial intelligence for crowd control, whether those CCTV cameras and crowd control and movement of crowds from one sector to the other, whether that was war gamed effectively enough or it failed. My colleague Shweta Singh with this report.
ये देखिए, एम्बुलेंसेस का आना लगातार जारी है। हम भीड़ को चीरते हुए भीड़ को एक तरफ रोकना पड़ रहा है पुलिस को। अगर आप एक के पीछे एक देखें तो ये सारी एम्बुलेंसेस जो कि यहाँ पर तैनात रहती हैं किसी भी तरह की इमरजेंसी सेवाओं के लिए, वो आपको एक के पीछे एक बहुत तेजी से निकलती हुई नजर आ जाएंगी। लगातार यहाँ पर मौनी अमावस्या के लिए भीड़ बढ़ती हुई ही है। उस भीड़ को नियंत्रण में रखने के लिए यहाँ पर जो सुरक्षा कर्मी है वो लगे हुए हैं, लेकिन आप देखिए कि कतार से एम्बुलेंसेस उस तरफ जा रही हैं और उसके बाद फिर वापस लौट कर आ रहे हैं। और इधर जो दूसरी ओर देखिए, वहां से निकलकर वो एम्बुलेंस आ रही है। कुछ देर के लिए उन्हें रुकना भी पड़ता है क्योंकि वहां बहुत ज्यादा भीड़ है। पुलिसकर्मी बहुत मुश्किल से भीड़ को दोनों तरफ रोक रहे हैं। और उसके बाद देखिए, एक एम्बुलेंस, उसके पीछे ये दूसरी एम्बुलेंस भी पहुंच गई है जो कि संगम नोज की तरफ आगे बढ़ रही है। ये दोनों एम्बुलेंसेस दो उस तरफ गए हैं, इससे पहले भी करीब एक और एम्बुलेंस यहां से लौट रही है। ये जिस दिशा में एम्बुलेंस जा रहे हैं ये दरअसल संगम नोज का हिस्सा है जहां पर ये सब जा रहे हैं। लोगों की भीड़ लेकिन उसके बावजूद बहुत अधिक इस समय भी नजर आ रही है।
So the focus of this Mauni Amavasya Snan was all about the administration ensuring that more than 8 to 10 crore people would have taken a holy dip. We spoke to police officers even yesterday evening when they told us that adequate arrangements were being made to ensure smooth crowd control. But that smooth crowd control clearly did not take place. We spoke to some of the top police officers late yesterday evening about their crowd management plans. Remember yesterday, even on India First at 10 p.m. last night, we were talking about how the administration was geared up for between 8 to 10 crore, but was expecting because of people hearing so much about this Snan happening after 144 years all across, and larger number of people expressing their keenness to come. The information that the police were also able to gather was that more than 10 crore were expected. And the question that we were asking throughout India First yesterday was, the devotees did not want to leave the Kumbh area after their Snan. We interviewed several who had already taken a dip. They had taken a dip several times in the past 24 hours, but still wanted to take on because of that emotion that was coming out constantly, that this was happening after 144 years. They wanted to just stay on and on and on. And when we asked them, why aren't you going back? They said, we want to take one more dip and then we will return. And this is where the Kumbh area was packed to capacity and more crowds were coming in. In fact, when we were trying to go to the hospital around 3 in the morning, hearing all those ambulances rush towards the hospital, and that was the time that we were on our way here. That walk from where our tent is located in the Kumbh city to this area at the Trivedi Sangam. This is the Sangam nose. This is where the Ganga, Yamuna and the Saraswati meet. And this is where India Today is reporting from. Usually it takes us about a couple of hours to get here. But it's just about 3 kilometers because of the crowds. Yesterday, the crowds were so extensive that it took much, much longer. Before I get you more on that story, we get you this report filed by my colleague Shweta Singh.
The road in this direction goes up to the Sangam Nose where the devotees are going for their holy dip, and you can steadily see a stream of ambulances coming to the Sangam Nose and going back from this area. If you look at this entire area, you will see it bustling with the devotees. The security personnel are having a very tough time trying to stop the people, and even for the ambulance to pass by is a tough ask. So we have seen ambulances streaming, and you can see another one that's coming right behind. There are ambulances which are going to the Sangam Nose and coming back from the area. It is a huge, huge task for the entire administration, for the security forces here, with devotees supposed to touch the number of devotees coming here for Holy Dip on Mauni Amavasya supposed to touch at least 10 crores. You can see ambulances streaming one after the other. You've seen 2 go that side. Now there are at least 4 ambulances. Another one which is going back from this side. And the ambulances are constantly streaming towards the Sangam Nose. It is a tough situation for all the security personnel. You can see the ambulances with emergency medical services, the ICU facilities in these ambulances making their way, trying to make their way to the Sangam Nose. The security personnel are having a really tough time here, trying to keep the people away from the area. With camera person Syed Mohsen, this is Shweta Singh in Prayagraj for India Today.